Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about finding inputs and outputs of a function from its graph. So, for this function, we're told to find h of 4. Now remember, whenever we're dealing with a function, what goes inside, that was a really poor arrow, there we go, what goes inside is the x, okay? And then h of 4 is the y. That whole thing is the y, whereas just the inside part is the x. So, x is 4, what is our y value? That's what it's asking. So at x is 4, our y value is -1. h of 4 equals -1. What about h of 2? Well, we go to 2. That's our x value, right? The inside is our x value. What do we get out? What is our output when we plug in 2? We get 3. Okay, what about this one? Find one value for which h of x is equal to -1. So, remember, h of x is what? H of x is our y value, right? So we're told that our y value is -1. So let's go to -1. Here's, excuse me, let me fix that. We're told that our y value is -1. So here's -1 on our y value. Now we need to find the x that makes that true. Now this says to find one value, but we can actually find both. So if our y is -1, our x is 1 or 1, 2, 3. Right? What about if we're told h of x equals 3? So our y value is 3. Here's our y value of 3. What is our x value at that point? Our x value at that point is, I'm not quite sure why it keeps zooming in on me. Our x value at that point is -3. This is going to be our last example for this one. We are given the function of g and told to find g of 2 and one value for which g of x equals 4. So g of 2, remember this inside is our x value. So our x value is 2. What is our y value? Our y value is about -1. Okay, that one was a little hard to see. That is about -1. So g of 2 equals -1. What about the value for which g of x is equal to -4? So our output is -4. Output is the y value. That happens here and here. So if g of x equals -4, our x value is here at 0. So that would be sufficient. That is one x value. Or here at 3. Okay, there you go. There's finding inputs and outputs of a function given from its graph.